Assalamualaikum viewers, I'm going to show you how you can increase your PC speed without any software. What you have to do is to click on this PC, right click on this PC and select properties. After that, you have to click on advanced system settings. Click on it. After that, you can see here's setting in the first box, performance box. Click on it and uncheck all instead this and apply. Then go to advanced, and here you can, and here what you have to do is leave it as it is, and after that click on other drives and set manage size and set. As you can see here, the recommended is 1744, but currently allocated it 6256. So this is how you can increase your PC speed to much speed. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.